Here's a brief overview of the Video Surveillance Professional Service. We're independent researchers. We don't accept advertisements, nor sponsorships or banner ads. We don't do white papers or side consulting projects for manufacturers, and we never benefit financially, either directly or indirectly, from product sales or selling products that we write or review on. My background, John Hanovich, is as an IT professional who came into the security industry in 2002. I first ran operations for a security integrator where we did early IP video and video analytics projects. Then I worked in product management at a video management manufacturer / video analytics provider. And then finally, here at IP Video Market Info, I'm dedicated to researching, analyzing, and testing products within the space. Who reads the site? Over 30,000 visitors per month, and that's only since April 2008, so the site has continued to grow very rapidly. You'll see that it's a very global site with over half of the visitors coming from outside the US, and from the ongoing and very active conversations, comments, and discussions on the site, there are many leading authors, executives, and engineers from integrators commenting and actively participating. So our mission is to provide end users and integrators the very best information to help them make decisions, not to be a marketing arm to manufacturers. You may think of this as a consumer reports, right? We are focused on the consumers, we accept money for basically providing information, and we don't do any other types of advertising or other things that might bias us to other interests. So we provide a number of different services as part of the package, and let me overview them, starting with the product test that we do. So here we have a test of Axis's high-definition megapixel camera. And in the test, you'll find that we offer general findings, but more importantly, we let you download video clips, so you can download hundreds of megs of video clips and watch them and play them back for yourself to see how it really works. We also offer screencast inside so that you can learn basically how we set up the system.
So let's take a look at
And then we'll go over physically how a system works, how it's configured, and how we optimize using the system. And then we'll do various tests comparing different types of image quality, nighttime viewing, and because, for instance, H.264 CPU consumption is really of interest, we'll do various tests and show you screencast of that. And then provide you more conclusions and, of course, comments, discussions, and personalized feedback on each of these tests. We also regularly provide comparison guides on various technologies or categories of technology. So, for instance, this is our guide on DVRs, and within it you'll see it's 36 pages, and we'll spend a significant amount of time of why you should choose that category and how those categories are differentiated, or products within those categories are differentiated. Then we'll actually analyze various manufacturers specifically and look at both their strengths, their weaknesses, and various competitors and how they face off and why they're different, so you can better understand what the options are in the marketplace. Each week, subscribers receive a special premium email that provides 3 to 4 pages of original analysis and references to current events and key happenings within the industry. So, for instance, in a recent report, we reviewed testing results. And not only that, we went through a webinar from one of the leading camera manufacturers examining their positioning and future technologies that we could be seeing coming in the industry. We also looked at a variety of new documents, references, posts within the industry that might be of use to you, and we summarized some of our meetings and discussions that we had with various vendors within the industry to provide you feedback on upcoming and new developments. Subscribers have access to our news monitoring service, which is essentially our own proprietary monitoring service for companies' websites that provides you up-to-date information that you wouldn't find anywhere else. So here's, for instance, basically is a catalog of basically recent posts on companies' websites that if you're really interested in tracking potential partners, competitors, or suppliers, this can help you out. And what you can do here is you can actually edit which companies you want to see updates on. So you can go and check to see any of the 113 companies. You can check which ones that you want updates on. So that's an overview of the range and breadth of the services provided to subscribers. How much does it cost? It's as low and as simple as $9 a month. Sign up, cancel anytime, or you can choose a yearly option, save a little bit of money, and get the industry guide each year. And if you're a larger corporation and want to share this with multiple team members, every 3 months for only $99, you can get unlimited access, unlimited logins to provide to your organization. Finally, who uses it? Already hundreds of people around the world, anyone from the channel, large end users, small manufacturers, multiple continents, global perspective again. So I hope this helps answers your question and introduce the service to you. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to email me at jhanovich@ipvideomarket.info. Thank you for listening.